Welcome back everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most common and seriously annoying Telegram problems, when you can't see another person's profile picture, also called their DP. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take to make those hidden or missing profile pictures show up, so you're not left guessing who's messaging you. Let's jump straight in. If you're the person whose Telegram just isn't showing other users' DPs, here's what you need to do step by step. First up, clearing your cache. Open your Telegram app, head to Settings, tap on Data and Storage, then find Storage Usage. Here, look for the Clear Cache button or a similar option depending on your app version. Your cache is kind of like a junk drawer where your phone keeps old images and data to load things faster, but over time, it can get messy and actually cause display glitches. Clearing it out won't delete any of your chats or important info, it simply refreshes the way Telegram loads pictures and media, so don't worry if you haven't done this before. It's perfectly safe and can often solve stubborn loading issues. Next, try to force load the profile pictures. This sounds technical, but it's super simple. Just tap on the chat or the person's tiny profile avatar that isn't loading. This tells Telegram to grab the latest picture directly from their servers. Sometimes, doing this once is all it takes for the current or future notifications to finally show the right DP. It's like giving Telegram a gentle nudge to say, "Hey, wake up and show me the latest info." Sometimes, if you're still not seeing any change, your app version might be out of date. Telegram frequently updates its app to patch bugs and improve security, so head to your device's app store and make sure you have the very latest version. Updates often include small fixes for exactly these kinds of visual problems, so don't skip this step. It's more important than most people think. If clearing cache and updating the app don't do the trick, it might be time for a quick reinstall. I know reinstalling sounds drastic, but the good news with Telegram is that your chats and media are stored securely in the cloud, not just on your phone. Go ahead and delete the app, reinstall it fresh from your app store, log back in, and you'll find all your chats right where you left them. Sometimes this reset clears out any lingering corrupted files or app bugs that might be blocking profile pictures from appearing. Now, for those on Android, there are a couple more settings to check. Sometimes, your phone's battery optimization is being a bit too aggressive and accidentally stops Telegram from refreshing your notifications or DPs. Head into your device system settings, look for battery or power management, and make sure Telegram is allowed to run normally in the background, not restricted. Also, double-check your notification preview settings in case those are hiding pictures. But what if it's actually the other person's settings causing the issue? If someone says they can't see your DP, they'll need to check their privacy and security settings in Telegram. It's possible they've set their profile photo to nobody or my contacts, and if you're not in their contacts, you won't see their picture. If that's the case, ask them to add you to their contacts or adjust the privacy setting to allow you to see their profile photo. It's a common privacy practice for some users, so don't take it personally, just check in with your friend. Remember, sometimes weird glitches can happen if you or the other person have poor internet connectivity or if Telegram's servers are momentarily slow. Usually, opening the chat and waiting a few seconds solves the problem automatically. And if you're using Telegram on a desktop or web browser, make sure your app is up to date and you're not running any strange browser extensions that might block images. And that's it. If you follow these steps one by one, you should be able to fix almost all Telegram profile picture issues. If this video helped, please give it a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you notice a different solution that worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.